Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So in the today's video we are going to see about SAP HANA database installation. So before start installation topic, first we will see the deployment approach. So because I believe before going for a practical installation we must know the basic knowledge about the deployment. So what is the deployment approach? So basically SAP provides two deployment approach. So the first approach is TDI and second approach is SAP Appliance. So in my blog, you can refer my blog. I will put my this blog URL in the description, in this video description. You can use this blog for your reference. There are many other topics also related to HANA and SLT and MaxDB. I explain in this blog. So let's come on the topic. So TDI, basically, the TDI means SAP HANA Tailored Data Center. So in this TDI approach we have freedom or the openness to select the the hardware and then the storage. Even we can leverage our old storage. We can use our available hardware to perform the installation of the HANA database. But the difference between the SAP HANA appliance and the TDI is that in SAP appliance, we get the fast delivery of the HANA database, or the we can say the system. Why? Because the SAP appliance, it means it's a SAP HANA. It's a system which comes with the combination of the software components, and that's from the SAP certified hardware partners. So basically they build the system, they configure the system as per our requirements, and they hand over the system to us, and then we have to manage the system. So that's the reason it's a fast implementation, whereas if we talk about the TDI, it's a more flexibility, because we have option, we have a freedom to select a hardware partner, and we have a freedom to leverage use our old hardware storage. So that's the first point. Second point is that about the support. So basically in SAP Appliance, the full support is provided by the SAP. So we need not have to worry about the implementation or the downloading the software and contacting the partners, hardware partners, or the storage related things. Um, Here in Appliance, it's a fully support provided by the SAP. Whereas in the TDI, customer need to contact the respective partners for the hardware storage. We need to manage everything. In Appliance, the solution validation done by the SAP and the partner, whereas in the TDI, SAP certified consultant need to do the implement installation. We have to do the installation in the case of the TDI. So there are other points as well, that is like pre-configured hardware setup. There we need not have to worry about the hardware, because the hardware is provided by the SAP certified hardware partners. Then the pre-installed software. So as I said earlier, that it comes with the full package, ready-made package, where we need not have to think about the software hardware. It directly get provided from the SAP certified partners. Whereas in the TDI, we have to like the engineers or the consultants have to work on the installation, like downloading the software, then selecting the hardware. Advantage here, as I said earlier, that we can we can use our old hardware storage, so that way we can save the cost. So that is the difference of the uh, TDI and the SAP Appliance. I hope the first point is clear to everyone about the deployment approach, because when we face the interview, that time if we mentioned in our resume that we did the implementation, so HANA implementation or the S4 implementation, so that time the question might come, which kind of which approach you follow, TDI or the appliance. So definitely, as the implementation is done by the by ourselves, so that approach is the TDI. So ensure that your answer must be the TDI. Now the second point, that is the which version we have to select while doing the implementation of the HANA database. To get the more details, more information about the versions, we have to visit support portal, that is the support.sap.com. So if you enter this URL, you will get this page. On this page, go to the maintenance, and in maintenance go to the product availability matrix, that is the PAM. So once you click on this, then you will come to this page. To access this page, you need your SID, SAP ID, which required to log in on this portal, and then just enter the SAP HANA. So as I enter here SAP HANA, we can see the first option, that is SAP HANA Platform Edition 2.0. So just click on that, and after coming here, just click on the SAP HANA Platform Edition 2.0. So now here we will get the all information those we searching about the before doing the implementation. So the first we can see here, that is the product category and the line, that is the technology platform, that is SAP HANA. And when it was open for the customer, when it was released for the customer, that is the in 2016, and end of the maintenance means. So these are the basic information we will get on the details and the date column. So to get the technical information, go to the technical release information. Here we can see the product information, then what are the components or the software that we need to download while doing the implementation, that is the HANA database, that is actual we need, then the HANA database client we need, then we need a HANA Studio, we need AFL. As per the requirement, we have to download this softwares. Then about the operating system, if I click here, then I will get the information about the which operating system we require. Just we will click here. So after clicking here, we can see that the two operating system supports HANA database, that is the Linux on Power, and the second is the Linux on 86 and 64-bit. So as per that, if I select the 64-bit option, then we can see Red Hat and SUSE Linux, two options are available. We get the information about and which HANA database version supports. All this information comes here. Important information, like to get the more details information before start implementation, please refer this master guide. Just simply select master guide and right click and just click on the new page. Here you will get all the document those needed while doing the implementation, and it's the better and the perfect way of the doing the implementation, that we must refer all the uh, release notes, documentation related to implementation upgrade, so that way we can avoid the errors. We are going to install 2.0 SPS2, so I selected that. So in that, the master guide we needed, and we need the SAP HANA installation and upgrade guide. So please do download this and read it before start your implementation or the upgrade. Do read this document. You will get the all information as I explain about the TDI. If I search here about the TDI, we will get the information about the TDI as well. All information about the HANA TDI, frequently asked question, SAP HANA TDI overview. So all the information is available here. Myself, I am referring this document. I request you guys as well, please do refer this document before performing the implementation. So if you have a question, which are the SPS are available, so here also we get the information, like in the support package stacks. Go on the support package stack in general, and we can see the information about the stacks, that is the 000 initial one, then 1 2 3, and latest one is the 6. And about the release information about the release note, if we refer this note, we get the full information about that particular stack. So please refer that. Even we can see the dates on which date that versions release. So might be for the fresher or this question might come that when the SPS 5 was released. So it was released on 26 June 2020. Or see all these options, those are given here. So in the next video we will see the practical installation of the or implementation of the HANA database. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like, please share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Click on the bell icon to get the notification about the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye bye.